So here we have this COLAMY big and tall gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox this, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. There's some of the larger pieces here. Then this box has the smaller pieces along with hardware to put it together. And then here's the instruction manual. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to assemble the base, and that's super easy because this is one solid piece of steel. So all we have to do is pop in these 5 casters, flip it over, drop in this gas strut, and then put the cover on. Then we can start assembling the seat, take this bottom cushion, and attach this piece here with the lever on it. Make sure both pieces are pointing in the same direction, and then put the 4 screws in. Then we can attach the armrests. Again, make sure they're pointing forwards. These are held on really well. They take 4 screws, and they're also slightly adjustable in and out by about 1/2 inch. Now we can connect this to the base, just set it on top. Then screw on this bracket. This one goes on the left side. Also, something to note is that all the screws that came with this have a lock washer on them, which is great because that means they'll stay tight even with a lot of use. Anyway, now we're going to rotate it over to the other side and screw on this other bracket that has a lever. And again, this one takes 2 screws. With those in place, we can slide the back of the chair right between them, then bolt one side on with 2 screws, and same thing with the other side. Now we can put the covers on. Each one takes a small screw. The cover on the left here specifically doesn't let the screw go all the way in, which will leave the cover pretty floppy, so I went ahead and cut all these screws just a bit shorter. Then I screwed that on and then clipped and screwed on this other piece. Same thing with the other side, just a plastic cover on the bottom and then a plastic cover on top. And finally, we can attach these cushions, put 2 of the straps through these holes at the top and then the other ones through the bottom. Now for the head pillow, there's really no good way to keep it on because there's no clips on it. So you can either just put it around the top of the chair or tie it up like this using the straps from the bottom pillow. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. The chair looks pretty cool. It was a little bit challenging to put together, but not too difficult. And it took me just over 1/2 hour. The chair has a single piece metal base, it's really sturdy. And then these 5 plastic casters, they're just a bit of an upgrade from the standard ones. It has a really nice thick foam cushion, it's also really wide, and it has a faux leather cover on it, nice and soft. It's pretty similar to this chair that I've had for about a year now, and it's super comfortable. It also has these nice armrests, they're adjustable up and down as well as side to side. The back of the chair is also nice and comfortable. It has a pillow for your head as well as an adjustable pillow for lumbar support. Like I mentioned before, the chair is pretty comfortable, and it also has this lever you can pull and lean backwards. It doesn't lean back completely flat, but it goes to about 50 degrees. There's also this other lever to adjust the height, or if you pull it out, it'll unlock it, and then you can rock backwards. And you do have to be a bit careful when you do this so you don't fall over. So yeah, apart from that little bit of difficulty putting it together, it's a great chair, it looks really nice, and it's really comfortable.